At the bottom right here, there's a plus sign. It has many different things. We're going to just click on Add Photo, and then we want to click on File. It's going to be different for each phone. So we're going to go ahead and click on Find Our Gallery with all of our photos. And navigate to where we want or where our photo is in our album. And then click on the picture or pictures. You can do up to 500. And then click Done. And then we don't need to crop this, so we're just going to go ahead and save. And then you swipe down this page to refresh, and there's our new picture. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And at the bottom, we can add a title, so we're going to go ahead and do that. In this, you can add a title, description, event date, event place, and many other information, but for now, we're just going to do the title. And then go ahead and save that. We have a nice title for our picture. We're going to go ahead and at the top, click on the little person icon. Each face will have a black box. We're going to click on the deceased relative, crop it, and then add name. And then in the filter by name, we're going to go ahead and type in the name. And there he is. We're going to click on him, and it's done. So now we're going to click on done, and now we have a tagged photo. This picture also has living relatives, so we're going to go ahead and add those into our family tree. What we're going to do is click the back button. In the top left, there's 3 lines. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to navigate to our family tree app. What we want to do is we want to find the parents of our living relative that we want to add. We can click on either the father or the mother. We're going to click on the father, then we're going to click on spouses, and then under the spouse is the children, and we're going to go ahead and click Add Child. In here, we want to make sure that we select male or female. We want to add their names. We want to add the full name here, so the first name and middle name, and then the last name. Then we want to go ahead and hit continue to go to the next page. And then click on living here, because he is our living relative. And then the date of birth and the birthplace, I would suggest having full details as much as you possibly can. But if you don't have that information, that is all right. You can put just the birth year, or you can leave it blank. For this purpose, we do have the full information, so we're going to hit continue, double check to make sure that the spelling is right and the information is right here, and then we're going to add this person. It's going to create that relationship, and there it is underneath the children. So we're going to go ahead and go back into our Memories app, and then we want to be able to tag that living individual in this app, in this picture. So on the main gallery, we want to swipe down to make sure that it's updated and refreshed. And then we're going to click on that photo, and then we're going to click on that living relative after we've clicked the tag. We're going to crop it, hit that add name, and then when we type in his name, it should pop up. Click on that living relative, and now we have a living relative added to this memory. We can go ahead and add others as we need it, but that is how you add a living person to a family tree and add them to the memory.